Hello, today I'll be sharing with you how to make and use ginger juice from root ginger to regrow your edges and accelerate hair growth. Ginger is an excellent remedy for natural hair growth and controlling hair fall. You can add it into your shampoos during wash days or conditioners, or just use it daily on your scalp to accelerate hair growth. This is fresh ginger. I just got a full pack from the market, and I'm just going to open up and select a few pieces that are nice to give me the juice that I want. You know, ginger has always been used since ancient days, and they are used to heal so many diseases, including cold and flu. And this is one of the things that you can use for ginger, treating your hair, to reduce dandruff and to stimulate hair growth. So I'm going to use the smaller side of the grater to get the juice that I want. You can use the blender if you have or if you like, but I usually like using this way. It's even easier and less time consuming. Or you can use any other thing that you have. So this is my application bottle. Just going to put here, and then you just go ahead and add some oil of your choice. I'm going to add extra virgin olive oil. This is what I have, and this is what I like using always. Add any other oil that you like. I'm also going to add tea tree oil, just a little bit of tea tree oil. I like tea tree oil because it helps me for itching scalp and just to soothe the scalp and make sure that there is no dandruff, and it's also antibacterial. I'm actually having two. There is the other ginger that I had made before, and after staying for some few days it usually turns. So you can see it turned the color, it's not the same. So now I'm just going ahead and apply it to my scalp. This one is just to apply direct to the scalp. You apply to the scalp and you massage. You can also add this one to your deep conditioning shampoo. If you want to make it easier, always use when if you want to be using every day. When your hair is in a twist, that is when you can use it every day, because this hair is not easy to manage like washing every day. But if you have some twist or any other protective style, you can put in and massage and wash every day. You just rinse out every day. So after that, I'm rinsing out my hair just like that, and that's done for the day. So I've been doing this for a week. So after washing the hair for a week, it's like an old thing, but just only 1 week. And this is my hair now that I'm going to open up and see how it looks like. You will always feel the difference after using this one. You need to use it daily, even if you have a protective style or you have braided your hair. You can't just be using it only on your edges and it will work. I promise you it's going to work. See, this is my hair after opening up for a week. This is how long it is, but the shrinkage is real. My hair really shrinks. I'll show you also the back side of my hair. This is how it looks like on the back. But I'm still growing the edges.